Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you several methods to delete duplicate photos in Windows 11, whether you prefer to do it manually or use built-in tools. I've got you covered. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, this time you open your File Explorer and go to the location where your image is, for example your download folder or your desktop or wherever your images are. In my case, I have my images on my desktop, as you can see right over here, so just let me open the folder. Now, just when we click on this View tab at the very top and select Extra Large icon so you can easily see the image details and spot duplicates. Alternatively, you can choose the Details view. You can shot the file by name, size, or date, and by that you can also see the duplicates, as I'm going to say right over here. Other method is using the Windows Photo app, so just open Photo on your search panel. Now over here, just when we click on this three lines at the top left and set corner, then click on New Folder. Now choose the folder that you have your duplicate images in, then click on Select Folder. Over here, again, you have to select manually the images, so just simply click on the small checkbox on top of your duplicate images like this. And then all you have to do is just simply click on delete by choosing this trash icon at the very top. And the moment you click on this, duplicate images will be deleted. And the final method that you have is just simply open a browser, and this will open Google Photos on that browser. Now once you go to your Google Photos, click on this album option, then click on Create Album. Now just maybe add a name for your album, then just click on Add Photo. Now click on Select from Computer, and this may choose the folder where your duplicate images are. As you can see, these are the duplicate images. There are a total 9 images. All you have to do is just simply click on Open on the folder, and it will start backing up your images. Now you will notice that the moment you will upload the images on Google Photos, it will automatically delete the duplicate images, which you can see right over here. As you can see, it backed up 9 images, but it is only showing 6. Meaning the duplicate images are completely gone. If you reopen it, as you can see, the duplicate images will be gone. So that's it. Now you know the best methods to delete duplicate photos in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.